And with second chance, I'll put you in the waiting room as well. They're bringing, oh, okay, sir.
Oh, it's different.
I have to ask.
All right, sir, what's your name?
2024 CR.
Could I see the file on Raymond Jackson?
Yes, ma'am. 01 0935.
We have to bring up the dockets. They told you to come in, second check.
Oh, for Jackson? Okay.
Good night, night.
No, you good? I got his case pulled up already, so I just gotta bring it.
All right, thank you. But John, it's turning into a crazy Halloween today. Now that I didn't think. All right, Mr. Jackson, we're going to see what's going on. All right.
Okay.
Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Always keep your head up when you speak to people, okay?
Yes, ma'am, but you know, really, I don't want to be on camera.
Mm-hmm. What page is he on the docket?
Show us have a warrant.
Ah. All right, he has a warrant. Why does he have a warrant?
Because the bail bonds made a mistake.
No. I'm asking second chance.
Oh, he had a warrant from August. We hadn't received any payments from him since March. We had to issue a warrant in August. But he did come back and make a payment. So we've been trying to restore the bond since August 28th. We've tried to restore the bond.
Just 1 second. Let me explain something to you. You have to put on your listening ears. Do you not hear? It sounds like she's trying to get the warrant pulled so they can be back on your bond.
Now that's why I raised my hands.
So here's the thing. We don't need you to raise your hand right now. Right now, she's trying. Man. Here's the thing. She's trying to say she wants to be back on your bond. Do you not want her back on your bond? Because if you don't want her back on your bond, you can be taken into custody.
It's a big mistake, ma'am. I understand y'all doing a favor. It's a big mistake.
He can go.
All right, I can go there.
He doesn't want you back on his bond.
Welcome back to Time Served, the channel. Let's get to talking so you don't have to. Oh, Mr. Harris, why don't you want to listen to your public defender? Well, today we find out, as animated defendants goes, he's one of the best. However, his mannerisms won't get him anywhere in the 187. And Boyd, oh Boyd, do we get to see it all unfold. Check out a classic from Judge Boyd right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, set your notifications to all. Let's roll, nerds.
And I'll hand this to you once I put it in the system.
Yes, Judge.
Who's here on Anthony Newton Harris?
Can't show up for the minutes.
All right, counsel, where are we on discovery?
I received discovery.
State, were you able to tender an offer?
I don't know.
Have you received an offer?
Judge, this case is going to go to trial. My client's not pleading.
All right, so have you received an offer? That's my question.
There is no offer in this case.
State.
Can I speak for myself?
Sure.
Okay. September 16th, I had not seen this indictment. This lawyer told me that this indictment was wrong, that it was a false document. Seen this indictment. This lawyer told me that this indictment was wrong, that it was a false document. October 17th, we came back. He asked me, what did I want to do? I said, do what you said you was going to do. He said, what did I tell you?
Okay, so here's the thing. This is what we're going to do. We're going to come back at 1:30 and we'll
I'm not going to be here at 1:30, Your Honor.
Where are you going to be?
I have Comal County 376 at.
All right, so I don't know why people do not come to the 187 till late and everybody's rushing to get everything before noon. So there's a setting here. I'll see you all back at 1:30.
Judge, I also have a motion to withdraw in this case.
All right, see you back at 1:30.
I'll get here as soon as I can after my Comal County.
See you back at 1:30. Amanda Drummond.
I'll take you back.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Your Honor. Mr. Harris, you asked earlier if the state has made an offer. We now have.
All right, thank you. All right. Norma, this is going to be November 14th for a plea deadline date.
And Judge, I had a motion to withdraw. Motion that I'd like to hear.
All right. Do y'all have a motion to withdraw?
It should be, I put it in the.
It's not with me.
I have a copy of it.
All right. Court is calling 2024 CR 007896 State versus Anthony Newton Harris. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harris Edelman.
For the defense?
Anthony Cantrell.
All right. Are you Mr. Harris?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Your attorney has filed a motion to withdraw. He is saying that you will not cooperate with undersigned counsel in his good defense and refuses to accept legal advice from undersigned counsel. He's your attorney. You can accept the legal advice he's given you or not? All right. You want to give him some legal advice?
Judge, I have. It's unfortunate that he has gotten these charges. He's filed as a habitual. And I explained that the state of Texas is not going to reduce this case to a misdemeanor. Okay.
All right. So here's the thing. I don't want to get in y'all discussions. This is what I'm telling you, Mr. Harris. He's giving you legal advice. With regards to plea offers, in this court, I require that the state tender an offer to the defense. The state's offer, we can go off the record. The state's offer is its offer. I've been a defense attorney. I've been a prosecutor. The state will review their file. The state will probably talk to your attorney. They'll negotiate, and then the state will make an offer. Your attorney can't force the state to give you what you think is fair in this case. If you think this case should be dismissed, he can't force them to dismiss it, right? If you think that your offer that they're offering you is not appropriate, he can't force them to give you what you think is a fair offer in this case. That's where we are. You can either accept the state's offer or not. If you decide to accept the state's offer, then the court will see if the plea is an appropriate sentence for you or an appropriate agreement. If you decide to say, I'm not accepting your offer, but I will accept this, that's a counter offer. Your attorney will take that counter offer to the state, and the state can either accept the counter offer or reject it. At the end of the day, if you all don't come to an agreement that the court will accept, this is going to jury trial. If you want to receive legal advice from your attorney, you can. If you don't want to listen to their legal advice, because sometimes people think that they are attorneys too, then that's your decision. If you want to go to trial with an attorney and you not listen to their legal advice, then that's completely up to you. Motion is denied. We're coming back on November 14th. On November 14th, you need to let the court know whether or not you've reached an agreement.
I don't get no say so. I don't get to say nothing.
Oh, do you want to hire an attorney?
It's not that. Prior to this, he told me.
No, here's the thing. I don't want to get into your conversations that you've had with your attorney.
The legal advice that I got from him.
No. Here's the thing. I don't want to get into conversations that you've had with your attorney because that's attorney-client privilege.
That's great.
Yeah, I know. Sometimes it be that way. So what will end up happening is his motion to withdraw is denied. If you want another attorney, you'll have to hire one. So if you want more time to speak to your attorney, you can either speak to him now, or either if you want to be brought over on a different day for your attorney to show up to show you everything in the state's file, the court will make arrangements for that.
He's asking me, what do you want to do?
Do you want to, your attorney is here to speak with you.
I want a different attorney, man. He's not fighting for me, Your Honor.
Let me ask you this. What do you consider fighting for you?
He ain't come up with no plan. Everything he said he gonna do, he ain't did.
You're fired.
Okay, so this is what I want you to do. I want you both to sit in the box and counsel, talk to him. All right, we're coming back on November 14th for plea deadline day. Yes.
I have Daryl at the state with me. Can we talk for just a moment in the back or wherever?